have you ever gone? Have you ever been beside anybody who is taller than you?
No,
Never.
never. I can reach whatever I want and
Yeah.
all of that. So some people maybe in their house they maybe stand on a stool and all of that. I
Yeah.
don't have to do that.
Yeah, you
I
just
am
stand up.
pretty fine.
Okay. My JamHearts family, how you do? Awesome, awesome. Today I meet up with a lady who is supposedly one of the tallest, if not the tallest person in Jamaica. Her name is Carlene Dehaney from a remote community in Hanover here in Hanover, Jamaica. I'm going to talk to her to find out just what it means, what challenges and opportunities it presents. And I'm going to share this story with you. First though, I invite you to join me. I'm on a journey to showcase the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, people like her, attractions in Jamaica, unusual places in Jamaica, unusual fruits of Jamaica, medicinal herbs of Jamaica, everything unique about Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel for whatever reason, I invite you now to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Miss Dehaney. So here she is, guys, Miss Carlene Dehaney, right? Carlene Dehaney?
Yes.
Awesome. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you for accepting my invitation to talk to you, to learn a little bit more about you and what it means to be one of the tallest person, if not the tallest woman in Jamaica. Say hi to my audience, man.
Hi, everybody.
All right, great. How tall are you, Miss Dehaney?
I think I'm 6'4".
6'4".
Yes.
I want to ask you to stand up a little bit. All right, so you can see she's already outside of the camera zone. So we're gonna adjust it a little bit to accommodate for that. All right, so there she is. You say you're 6'4". Do you know if you recognize that you are one of the tallest persons in Jamaica? Did anybody tell you? How did you come to know? Or, I mean, you just assume?
Well, the way people react, I think I am the tallest person.
Have you ever been beside anybody who is taller than you?
No.
Never?
Never.
Okay.
My brother is tall, but I don't really measure on him. I always walk away from him, so I don't know.
Is the family, is it more genetics? Your family is tall, apparently?
My dad.
Your dad is tall?
Yes.
You don't know how tall he is either?
I think he was 6'4", somewhere there.
Oh, so probably not taller than you. So you have taken it to another level, literally.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, can sit if you want. You can sit back. All right, so guys, we're not gonna take her word for it. We're gonna literally test to see how tall this lady is. All right, so let's 6 feet. Hold on a second here now. All right, let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5.
Really?
Well, this is saying 6'5". This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5. Closer to 5, actually. Right? It's 76.5. So you're closer to 5. Closer to 6'5". So obviously you would have been a tall person from day one. Share some of the experiences that you had growing up, from a little girl coming up, good or bad, about you being always the tallest person as far as you know, whether it's in class, at work, at church. I want to hear some examples, some memorable examples of your experience.
Well, for me, when I was growing up, especially when I was going to school, you always hear the children say, "Oh, you are so tall. And you're taller than me." Always be excited to say that I am tall. And growing up in my community and all around, I just recognize that I am the tallest person in my community, in my church, everywhere. So I don't really find anyone taller than me so far.
Were there any negative experiences though, like at school, how they treat you?
Well, sometime at school I used to feel a bit,
uncomfortable.
When
what would they say, for example, if you don't mind?
What a tall girl, or really unfair saying that, and the behavior with it. So it's
What do you
always
mean
feel a
behavior?
bit.
What kind of
I
behavior?
mean, like they are laughing, and those stuff. What a tall lady, what a tall girl are. They will walk beside me. Some will bend down, some will step, and all of those things. But growing up and realize that it's a natural thing, it's a God's creation.
Yeah.
I don't really feel no way. Again, I think I'll go past that and all of that. Even though people will still say, what a tall lady are. Give me some of your height. Sometimes I ignore, sometimes I smile and I just,
Okay. You take it.
I
You
don't,
take it more from a positive than to let it make you feel down.
no.
Uh,
First step, when I used to go to school, but now I realize and know better and I don't really feel down.
you have children?
I have two nice daughters, two lovely daughters.
Oh, they're not as tall. Obviously, not as tall as you.
The last one is tall. I think she's maybe maybe she's 5'9" or somewhere there.
Oh, that's not tall, man. Well,
Six,
technically.
maybe six then, because she
Okay.
reached somewhere here.
Yeah.
She's
Actually,
tall, she's
so
tall.
guys, you saw me a while ago with a tape measure, a literal tape measure. She is 6'5". I don't know. I tried to check, but I haven't got any information. I'm pretty sure Miss Dehaney, if not the tallest woman in Jamaica, is certainly one of the tallest women in Jamaica. And I want to celebrate. Today I want to just celebrate you and how beautiful it is to meet one of the tallest person in Jamaica. What are some of the challenges you would have faced, Miss Dehaney, because of your height?
Well, to be honest, I don't know if it's a challenge, I should say. But people always, as I said, always say I'm tall and all of that. And,
In terms of getting stuff done or anything like that, does it affect you in any way?
I get everything done, whatever I can.
Probably better than the rest of us, huh?
Even better than you and quicker than you.
Because they have a longer reach.
I can reach whatever I want and all of that. So some people maybe in their house, they maybe stand on a stool and all of that. I don't have to do that.
Yeah, you
I
just
am
stand
pretty
up.
fine.
Okay. And if you want to step up across to pick up something, we take 3-4 steps, you take one.
I just take one. And I'm very proud of that.
Oh, wonderful. Can you talk about some of your achievements or milestone that you're particularly proud of? Anything that you have done that I mean, you'd want to share with others that you have done that you feel particularly proud of, you want to share with us?
Well, I don't know. I try to grow my kids the best way I can. And I show them certain things, what I don't want to happen to them and all of that. Although I am poor, we grow poor, but I tell them that they must try and achieve more than I.
And I don't take that for granted. And not to cut you, I don't take it for granted. We talk about achievement, but many times we think of something outside, something in corporate. But what I'm hearing from you is that it's your family. It's an achievement just to get your children to a certain standard.
Yes.
A certain level of awareness to let them understand how to live.
Right.
And
don't feel bad about if somebody say if you're tall and all of that. Don't feel bad about that.
Yes.
Because that is natural and it's a natural thing from God. There's nothing we can do. Nobody can do without
do you feel that your children now though are a little bit I'm not gonna say uncomfortable, but timid because they themselves are a little bit tall too. Not as tall as you, but do you get a feel that they may be a little bit uncomfortable with it?
Well, I don't really sure about that. My second daughter is not as tall as us now. When she was growing up, she was slim and she did look tall, but now she put on weight and she look short.
So you don't speak up that.
But I think she's well comfortable where she is, but I'm not sure about my daughter. She's 30 now and I think she's tall. And I don't know how she feel about her height now. But
she didn't say anything. She would not have said anything to you.
She never said anything. But sometime I go out and people would say, you're tall like your mother. So I just say that's natural and we are happy. Just to make she feel happy. I don't know if she feel no way down and all of that.
Okay.
So I always try to makes you feel happy
Okay.
about
What
it.
about your personal relationships? Does it affect in any way the other relationships that you have? I don't know, husband, boyfriend, other friends. Does it affect you in any way?
No, because I'm married for around 31 or
All
32
right.
years
Well,
now.
congratulations,
So,
man. I give it up
and I'm
for
still
Mr.
married. I'm married from I was 21, and I'm
Congratulations.
happy.
Yes.
And
I'm going to ask if your husband talks now.
he's not as tall as me, and
Uh-huh.
he has more body
Body.
more than I
Okay. He
do.
make up for
Just
it.
like my
He make up
daughter.
for it with the body.
Yes.
And he's happy.
Yes.
He's okay. That's lovely. Well, I want to hear. I think we want to hear from you. Now that you mentioned it, you're married. We want to hear some. Give us some tips on for those who are watching who might be interested in relation. Because there's always a lesson in relationships. You're married for 31 years. You said.
Yes.
Tell us a
Or
little. Give
more.
us some one or two tips, man.
Maybe more. I'm married from 94. 94 and not too much.
A lot of years.
92.
A lot of years.
And
But
my son born 95, but I lost my son in some years ago.
oh, I'm
But
sorry.
I don't sure I want to go to
No,
it.
I'm not gonna ask you about that. Sorry about that. But tell me about the relationships though. Most people never have a relationship that long, much less to be in a relationship and get married for so long. Give
Well,
us 2 or 3 tips on how you maintain a relationship.
first you have to understand each other,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
it's not that I'm gonna do things what he like, or he's gonna do things what I like. So we always talk about that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like that, you don't like that, and all of that. So we try to keep it on that level.
Mm-hmm.
So
The communication, it sounds like talk. Make sure you talk to each other a lot.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
You're a woman of God. You're a church woman.
yes, I am a
You want to
church
tell us a little
lady.
bit about that and how long you're in the church?
Well, I'm in the church for same 30. The time I got married.
Oh, you get
I
married and
was
go straight in the church.
Yes, we got
Okay.
married in church.
All right.
And
2 questions and the rain is
I'm
coming.
still going to church, but my husband is not going to church. He
Oh.
kind of lay back.
Okay, we're gonna encourage him.
Yes.
What makes Jamaica special, Miss Dehaney?
Well, Jamaica is special because I am special and I'm from Jamaica and I'm happy.
I like that. What else?
And I have 2 beautiful daughters, which make me more special. Because the big one went to Mount Alverna. And she finished up at 6. She's going to UE now. And the smaller one is in grade 8 at Anchovy High. And I'm really proud of them. So each time I see them, that keep me more
Encouraged,
yes,
more motivated.
Motivated. Yes.
Okay.
To see that they are doing well.
Yeah.
So
yeah, man. Finally, what message do you have for persons who might feel who need a little bit of encouragement or motivation because of perhaps what person might say about them or something like that. They're a little different. They're a little unusual.
yeah.
What word? What motivation? What inspiration can you share?
I would say to them that if people don't say kind word to you, just try to be yourself and just you know who you are. Just work on yourself and be yourself. Okay, you can pay people mind and feel down about certain things and all of that. So you have to just be yourself. Just try and be yourself.
Okay.
And just don't pay people negative things. Don't pay negative things things to let you feel down and you have to just try and be yourself.
Okay. I'm inspired by your story and your humility because I didn't know what to expect personally of you. I know that you're very tall and I was impressed. I didn't even know how to approach it. So I thank you for making me feel comfortable in terms of asking the questions as well. Persons are watching and might be, for whatever reason, want to reach out to you. Perhaps you never know. Maybe they want to have a movie you want to get into, or maybe just to get some words of advice or inspiration from you to connect the network with you. Is there a way they could reach out to you?
Well, you can reach out to me by this number 434-1054. And we can talk.
It's actually 876-434
10:54.
Oh, where's Mr. Husband? I'd love to meet. He's not
Mr.
here.
Husband is at work now.
He's at work. I will big him up
Yes.
when he comes. When he comes, guys.
I'm sorry that he's not here, and my kids are not here either. My
Oh.
kids is at school now, so
Mhm.
I'm sorry that they are not here to show you guys.
And the rain is upon us, guys, but it's beautiful here. So we grab an umbrella, Mr. Haney. I've grabbed an umbrella. We have one more question for you, Mr. Haney, and it is about sports. Naturally, people with this kind of height, you'd want to think they're involved in sports. Were you involved in sports in school at any point in time?
Yes, when I used to go to school, I used to play netball and I used to run and all of that. But that wasn't my line. That's not my.
It didn't work
I
out.
didn't love it. I
Okay.
didn't love it. So I just
Uh-huh.
can't bother.
What did you? Is there anything that you particular gravitate towards? Anything? What are you good at?
I'm good at cooking.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite meal or your dish?
Well,
What?
I love. Well, most people always love my rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Yes, even at work, they love my rice and peas and chicken and
Okay.
nice veg and all.
All right. We're gonna ask you to share the recipe with us.
And they like my mango juice also, and
Your mango juice.
yes.
What makes your mango juice so special?
Well, I don't know, but they always love it.
Uh-huh.
So
What you put in there?
just put like ginger,
Uh-huh.
pineapple, cherry,
Uh-huh.
whatever little fruit I find.
Oh, so it's a
But,
fruit juice, man.
yeah.
Not mango juice.
Well, I call it most of it a mango.
Oh, lovely. Okay, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Guys, we have a bonus for you. We have a bonus for you because Miss Dehaney's daughter just arrived from school and the rain is still drizzling. But would you believe it? She's almost as tall as her.
And she is young, and she's so young.
And she's so young, oh boy. This is beautiful. And she didn't even, you didn't realize that she was so tall. I mean, she tall, Miss Dehaney, but but a long time you don't measure up with her, right?
Well, every day she measure.
Oh, well,
that's why I did say maybe she's like 5'9" or
No,
something.
man, no. I'm pretty sure she's close to you because you're closer to 6'5". So, from what I'm seeing here, guys, look at both of them head now, and you see she's just a little bit taller, a little bit, maybe about 3-4 inches. So, I'm gonna ask you a question. What's your name?
Sashika Dehaney.
Tashika. Sashika Dehaney. All right. Tell me how is your mommy and what relationship? How is the relationship with you and mommy?
We are very close,
Very close.
like best friends.
That's lovely, lovely. Do you get any negative feedback from people at school about your height?
No,
Not really. Is it more positive than negative?
yes, more positive.
What do they tell you?
If I join netball,
Uh-huh.
play basketball,
Uh-huh.
model,
Mother? Okay. So which one you gonna do?
basketball.
Basketball? Okay, okay. All right. Well, tell your mommy something that you never tell her before now while we're here. Tell her something nice to celebrate her. Can you get the height from her? And you need to proud of the height too. And we're celebrating diversity. We're celebrating our height today,
You're beautiful in every way, and you will always remember me, and I love you.
Oh, lovely,
too.
lovely, lovely, lovely. All right,
you
thank
too.
you, Sashika. Proud of you. You're gonna go places. Very bold as well. Lovely. Wonderful daughter, Miss Dehaney.
Thank you.
Ah, boy. So, guys, we ran into a gentleman here. There's a shop here in the community in Golden Grove, right, my man?
Yeah, I know.
Golden Grove, and we're checking in with him to find out about Miss Carlene Dehaney. This gentleman knows her. You know her, my brother, right?
Yes.
What do you know about her? What kind of person is she?
Well, so far she's just a nice person. Matter of fact, she is my cousin.
Is a cousin?
Yes, man.
Oh, cool. On what? Oh, she's Dehaney because she's married.
Yes.
Oh, so it's on the maiden name on the other side. Mother side, father side?
Well, my matter of fact, we are two first cousins.
Eh.
But her daddy tall, my mother short.
Oh, so hold on now. Her daddy and your father, your daddy and her mother, sister and brother?
Yeah.
So how come there's a difference? Because you're not much. You're
Well,
short.
what really happened now? They are different father.
Oh, a different father. So she get it from her father?
Yes.
Oh, but she's a nice person.
Yes.
Did you know that she's probably one of the tallest person in Jamaica?
Well,
She's
I'm
about
about to-
6'5", you know.
yeah.
Yeah, man. A 6'5", we did a measurement now. It's about 6'5", so
Okay.
she's definitely. And her daughters are getting up there as well, realize.
Oh, Shashika.
Yeah, I don't. It's the younger one. The younger one. We met the younger one. Yeah, but she's a good person. I can testify for her and her personality. She's an inspiration to me. I like her personality. I mean, that's what you found about her as well.
Yes, man.
Yeah, good neighbor. Good a family, but good neighbor.
Yes.
Love. She's a mother.
Sure.
All right, there's a gentleman in the background, guys. So she's a mother, which is a good thing, a beautiful thing, a genuine mother. Yeah, man. We got a picture of her and her daughter as well. Her daughter bigging her up, so that's lovely. All right, thank you, man, for your feedback, my brother. You shop right, same community here, same family.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. And anybody, guy, you can come check out the gentleman shop here, right in the middle of Golden Grove here.
Yes, man.
All right, blessings. Thanks,
Yes,
man.
man.
Yeah.
You take care, bro.
All right then, excellent. What do you currently do now, Miss Carlene, for a living? And you mentioned that your husband does a little bit of construction, but do you do anything else to help?
Well, I work 3 days a week sometimes, and I do a little selling and so forth.
What do you sell?
I sell like marina, underpants, socks, and lotion and cologne.
Okay, and you get support from the
Community.
here,
Yes.
mostly.
Mostly.
Okay.
Because I do a little walk in the evening to sell little stuff.
Okay, and it works out. They help a little bit.
It helps a little bit, not all the while, because it's always be ups and downs.
Yeah. Thank you. That is Miss Dehaney, guys. Carlene Dehaney.
Yes, Carlene Dehaney from Prosper.
From where?
Prosper in Golden Grove.
Prosper in Golden Grove.
Cool, Prosper in Golden Grove.
I love this place, guys. This is beautiful. A beautiful person, a beautiful place in beautiful Jamaica. One of the tallest persons in Jamaica. I want to hear from you. If you know anybody taller than her, tell me in the comments. And what do you think about her story? I'd love to hear from you. Share it right now.
So don't feel bad about your height, guys. Just be yourself and just calm. Sometimes people say bad things, but just be yourself. Just be yourself.
Thank you for your story, Miss Dehaney. Miss Dehaney, guys, in the beautiful community of Golden Grove. I think that's the name of it. Wow. I need you to do me a favor now and share this story. Share this story with someone. Inspire someone and celebrate diversity. There's another video I need you to see. There's a related video of a gentleman, a friend of mine, Mr. Barr. He has absolutely no hands, but he has a thriving business. You need to see him. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.